A fierce storm system swept through the Baltic region overnight, leaving a trail of destruction across Lithuania and Latvia. One fatality was reported, and approximately 200,000 households were plunged into darkness due to widespread power outages.
Ārprāts, ko tādu es vispār neesmu iedomājusies, kas pie mums darās. Ārprāts.
In Vilnius, the Lithuanian capital, a 50-year-old woman tragically lost her life when a tree was uprooted by the storm's relentless winds, authorities confirmed on Monday. Fire and rescue teams in both nations have been overwhelmed with emergency calls, responding to incidents involving toppled trees, damaged vehicles, and severe flooding that inundated roads and fields. Lithuanian officials have issued warnings, advising the public to venture out only for essential reasons, as the storm continues to unleash heavy winds and catastrophic rainfall across the country of 2.8 million people. Meteorologists reported that the regions of Suoliai, Telšiai, and Salal were deluged with a month's worth of rain over just 2 days, compounding the storm's impact.
Kur tādas teigas? Es esmu...
Apbrauc cits ceļi, bet galvenais visi ceļi, es jau biju tur, akadēmijas, tur pastīju, tur viss arī tāpatā.
In neighboring Latvia, weather experts caution that the ongoing strong winds are likely to raise water levels along the coast of the Gulf of Riga. The Daugava River, which flows through the capital city of Riga, poses a flooding risk as water levels swell. As a precautionary measure, officials have closed the central dome square due to concerns over potential wind damage to the medieval dome cathedral's roof. Vilnius has borne the brunt of the storm, with powerful gusts uprooting numerous large trees, which have crashed onto roads, cars, and homes, causing widespread damage and disruption. The storm's effects have also rippled through air travel, with several flights canceled or rerouted as aircraft struggled to land at Vilnius and Kaunas airports. Rail services have not been spared, with delays and cancellations affecting commuters. In Estonia, the southern regions faced heavy rain and strong winds, but managed to avoid major damage. The storm's impact, however, serves as a reminder of the volatility of the Baltic region's weather patterns.
Tas ir cits bembis. Tas, kas būtu X5, jāsaprot, ka viņi nevar braukt pa šitām peļķēm.
Communities across Lithuania and Latvia are bracing for further challenges, with the storm expected to linger until at least Monday afternoon. Emergency services remain on high alert, prepared to respond to any further incidents as the storm continues its relentless assault. Residents are urged to stay informed through official channels and adhere to safety guidelines to protect themselves and their families.